Hi friends, in this video we will discuss df1 df2 relation for the given example. Draw the block diagram of df1 and df2 realization for a digital IR filter described by the system function. System function is given. It looks like a complex, but if you do simplification of the given system function, very easiest method is there. First, let us do the simplification of numerator term, that is z minus 1 into z minus 2, z plus 1 into z. See, observe here, z minus 1 and z plus 1, these two we have to simplify. A minus b into a plus b, that is we can write a square minus b square. Then multiplication of these two things, that is z square minus 2z. Further simplification, multiplication of these two things will get z to the power 4 minus 2z cube minus z square plus 2z. Similarly, simplify the denominator terms. First I will write the denominator term as it is. Z minus, same thing I written here, and here we have to make some arrangements here. I am going to write the terms which are present in the bracket. I will take out, that is z minus 1 by 2 plus minus into plus, it becomes minus j 1 by 2. Similarly, z minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus j 1 by 2. This is as it is. So we have to arrange. See, I am assumed this one as a, this one b, a b. So a minus b, a plus b. Once again, multiplication of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. This one here, this becomes what? It is a, it is b, a minus b, a plus b. So a square means z square minus b square means j square 1 by 4 square. So next step is a square minus b square written here, that is a square means in this term z minus 1 by 2 whole square is there, a minus b whole square formula we have to apply here. Then we got this much, then uh, this much we got. Then j 1 by 2 square means j square, j square means minus 1, minus 1 into minus, it becomes plus. 1 by 4 square means, sorry, 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. Similarly, this one we have to simplify, we got z square plus 1 by 16. Further multiplication of these two terms, we got z to the power z to the power 4 minus z cube plus 9 by 16 z square minus z by 16 plus 1 by 32. So that one I written here separately. I simplified, then I written in the system function. Observe the numerator and denominator, highest power is 4, so multiply the numerator and denominator by z to the power minus 4. Here also z to the power minus 4. Then we represented given system function in terms of negative powers of z. So now we are discussing about df1 realization. In df1 realization, we know we are going to split the system function in terms of two subsystem functions, h1 of z and h2 of z. This indicates zero system, this indicates pole system. So we divided the given system function h of z into two subsystem functions. Those are indicating, first subsystem function is indicating zero system, second subsystem function is indicating pole system. Realize in terms of using elementary blocks. Directly I am going to, with the help of equation system function, I am going to realize numerator term indicates zero system, denominator indicates pole system. See, this is intermediate result v of n. Output is what? Y of n. Input is x of n. Okay, first I am going to realize zero system. 1 multiplied by 1 is there. Next, 2 into z to the power minus 1, x of n is divided by 1 time. This one we got x of n minus 1. Coefficient term is minus 2. Add with the previous result. Okay, next, second time delay, coefficient term is minus 1. Second time delay, x of n minus 2, coefficient term is minus 1. add with the previous result. Next, third time delay coefficient term is plus 2. Third time delay coefficient term is plus 2 add with the previous operation. So what we got here, it is x of n minus 3. What we got here, this is zeros system. Go for pole system. As we know, pole system, we have to take the while realizing pole system, you have to take, always I told, shortcut method is we have to take the opposite sign of denominator terms. Then first one is what, this is as it is, what, multiplied by 1. Then one time delay, y of n is divided by one time, this is y of n minus 1. Coefficient is what, minus 1 is there, take the opposite of that, that is plus 1, add with the previous result. Next, second time delay, coefficient term is plus 9 by 16 is there, take reverse of that, that is minus 9 by 16, add with the previous result. Next, third time delay, y of n minus 3, coefficient term is minus 1 by 16 is there, take opposite of that, plus 1 by 16, add with the previous result. Next, one more time delay, y of n minus 4, plus 1 by 32 is there, take reverse of that, opposite of that, minus 1 by 32, add with the previous result. It is what, it is pole system, it is pole system. And the entire diagram will indicate the direct form 1 realization. Direct form 2 realization, we have to interchange the positions of zero system and pole system. First subsystem function becomes pole system and second subsystem becomes zero system. Now by referring the given system function, first I am going to realize zero system, sorry, pole system, that is y of n. You can observe the, see, nothing but this one I am going to realize first here. This is pole system. As I told, the signs of these terms becomes, we have to take opposite. This term I am going to realize now, pole system, that is multiplied by 1 and divided by 1 time. Coefficient term is minus 1 is there, take plus 1, add with the previous result. Next, second time delay, coefficient term is plus 9 by 16 is there, take minus 9 by 16, add with the previous operation. Next, third time delay, coefficient term is minus 1 by 16 is there, take reverse opposite of that, plus 1 by 16, add with the previous operation. Next, fourth delay, coefficient term is plus 1 by 32 is there, take minus 1 by 32, add with the previous operation. Hence it becomes pole system, it becomes pole system. Next, coming to zero system. Zero system, what, one time delay, coefficient term is what, here it is 1, here coefficient term is same as it is, minus 2 is there, add with the previous output, it is here. Next, second time delay, coefficient term is minus 1, add with the previous result. Third time delay, coefficient term is 2, add with the previous result. Hence we completed what, zeros system. Now observe here, intermediate result v of n is both the cases, pole system as well as zero system. same time delay is there, one time delay, here is one time delay, let us take common here. Second time delay, second time delay, let us take the common here. Coefficient terms becomes different. And third time delay, here also third time delay, take the common, and coefficients are different. But in here fourth delay is there, in this case there is no fourth delay, so there is no common term here. So by taking the common of delay elements, let us sketch the direct form 2. The final direct form 2 realization is, the final direct form 2 relation is v of n. V of n is first delayed by one time. I am going to delay one time. Okay, delay one time. Here in the pole system, what is the coefficient term? 1 is there, 1 is there. And zero system, minus 2 is there, minus 2. Add with the previous results. Here also add with the previous result. Next, second time delay. So I'm going to make second time delay. Coefficient terms, minus 9 by 16, minus 9 by 16. Here it is minus 1. Oh sorry, this is 1 and minus 2. This is coefficient term is minus 1. Add with the previous result. Add with the previous result. Okay, next third time delay. Third time delay, we have both the sides coefficient terms. Those are here 1 by 16, 1 by 16, 16, and this one is 2 is there, this one is 2 is there. Add with the previous result, add with the previous result. Okay, fine. Next, here in the zero system, in the pole system, fourth delay is there, but in the zero system there is no fourth delay, so make only, there is no common delay element, but we are taking fourth delay, and this fourth delay has only coefficient terms. For what? Pole system, that is minus 1 by 32. Add with the previous result. Okay, this is the diaphragm to realization. This is the diaphragm to realization. Okay, thank you very much.